Hello. Are you sitting at home, looking at a paper check on your kitchen table, and thinking, I really do not want to get in the car, drive across town, and wait in line at the bank today? Listen to me, you do not have to. You do not need to burn your gas, you do not need to stand on hard tile floors, and you certainly do not need to waste your precious time sitting in branch traffic. I know what some of you are thinking. Susie, I'm retired. I've gone to the teller my entire life. I don't trust these smartphones. What if my money disappears into thin air? What if I press the wrong button and accidentally send my check to someone else? Stop it. Right now, stop worrying. Change is uncomfortable, I get it. But holding on to old habits that waste your time and energy is a mistake. Technology, when you use it safely, is designed to give you your freedom back. Today, we are talking about depositing your check using the BluPeak Mobile App. It is safe, it is secure, and once you do it one time, you are going to ask yourself why on earth you were driving to a branch all these years. Let's walk through this together, step by step. It is far simpler than you think. First, before you even open your phone, you need to prepare your check. This is where most people make a mistake, so pay attention. Turn the check over to the back where the endorsement line is. You are going to sign your name, just like you always do. But right underneath your signature, you must write these exact words, for BluPeak Credit Union mobile deposit only. Why do we do this? Because it protects you. It tells the system that this check can only be deposited into your account digitally, preventing anyone else from trying to cash it. It is an added layer of safety for your hard-earned money. Next, set that check down on a flat, dark surface. A dark dining table or a dark placemat works great. Make sure the room has good light. Turn on a lamp if you need to. You want a nice contrast between the light check and the dark background so the camera can read every single detail clearly. Now, grab your smartphone or tablet and open the BluPeak Mobile App, log in using your secure username and password. Once you are on your account home screen, look for the button that says Deposit or Check Deposit. Tap it. The app is going to ask you two basic questions. First, which account do you want this money to go into, your checking or your savings? Tap the account you want. Second, it will ask for the exact dollar amount on the check. Type that number in carefully. Double-check your decimals. If the check is for $150.50, make sure it says $150.50, not $1,505. Precision matters when it comes to your money. Now comes the part that makes people nervous, taking the picture. Do not be intimidated. The app practically does the work for you. Tap the button to take a picture of the front of the check. Hold your phone directly above the check, flat, not at an angle. You will see a box on your screen. Frame the check inside that box so all four corners are visible. Hold your hand steady for just a second. The app will capture the image. If it looks clear and crisp to you, hit accept or continue. If it looks blurry, tap retake and try again. You cannot ruin this. Once the front is done, the app will prompt you to turn the check over and take a picture of the back, where you signed it and wrote for BluPeak Credit Union mobile deposit only. Do the exact same thing, hold the phone flat over the back of the check, align the corners, and capture the image. Finally, the app will show you a review screen. It will list your account, the check amount, and show the images you just took. Look at it, verify everything is correct, and hit submit or deposit. Boom! You will get a confirmation message right on your screen that your deposit was received. You just deposited your money in under 2 minutes, without putting on your shoes, without driving in traffic, and without standing in line. How empowering is that? Now, I have one critical piece of advice for you before we wrap up, the actionable takeaway that you must remember. What do you do with that paper check sitting on your table now that you hit submit? Do not throw it in the trash right away. And do not tear it up immediately. Here is what you do. Write mobile deposit in small letters across the top front of the check, along with today's date. Then, put that physical check in a safe place, a drawer or a folder in your desk, and keep it for 30 days. Why 30 days? Because on the off chance there is an issue with the check clearing the issuing bank, you still have the original paper copy to resolve it. Once 30 days pass and you see the funds fully cleared and settled in your BluPeak account, then you shred that check or destroy it securely. Taking control of your money means taking control of your time and using the tools available to make your retirement easier, safer, and more efficient. Stop letting fear of technology hold you back. Try it with your very next check. You have got this, and I am standing right behind you.